Hi guys, this is Brandon Chamas here.
Where are we going?
We're going to the farm.
Okay.
Hello everyone. Today we're doing the farm. And then we're going to do the bar ride today. And my bunny, because I love it. And then,
Wow, you love bunnies?
and then I love bunny and bar ride. And then I love it so much. And then
Okay. Destiny, are you ready? Where are we going? Oh, you want to go see a fish?
Yeah.
No, we're going to the farm. There's no fish right there. Or are they? Okay, let's go, guys. Where are you going, Destiny? Where are you going? On the farm? Okay, let's go. Come. Wow. You look beautiful. Okay, let's go.
We're at the farm.
Unfortunately, we came late. It's closed already.
Today, because we're coming in the morning, because you said no, and then you said you don't want to go. That's why you don't want to go. It's
Okay.
already locked, okay?
Okay, but let's check the little horses.
Horses. Those are ponies.
Mom, what's the horse
They're
name?
ponies. Ponies.
Okay. Dad! Hi guys, we're at the farm. We're at closed today.
Why?
It's closed today because it's closed at the farm.
Can you show us the ponies? Come show us the ponies.